talk to me about kind of the rules around, like, one, I know you need to allow them, right? But what about charging an extra deposit or an extra pet fee um, if they come in and say it's for emotional support? Can you still make up that?
Right now, no. But
Okay.
there was a case that I can't remember where our attorney was saying somewhere back east where somebody did charge a deposit and the judge okayed it. So now they think there's now case law to start saying that you can charge a deposit, but they're still advising don't do that for now.